We're here at Three Bros Racing in Southern California installing the rear disc guard and caliper guard kit. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be doing another how-to Husky install with this 2020 Husqvarna FX450. The Bulletproof Design's rear disc guard is constructed from a 3/8 inch thick billet 6061 aluminum, which offers superior protection with minimal weight gain. It offers protection against bent brake rotors in the event of a crash or from rocks and debris, and the simple one-piece design allows easy install and can be mounted with our new billet brake caliper kit. These guards combined are made in the USA and both offer a lifetime warranty. So now we got the rear disc and caliper guard kit installed. This is the ultimate protection for your rear brake system. No more ride ending damage with bent or broken rotors, no broken shark fins, no broken plastic guards. This is a solid piece of 6061 aluminum that's ready to attack the trail and anything you take your ride through. Bulletproof Design's guards are made in the USA and offer a lifetime warranty. Visit our website to find guards like this and other products for your ride. So thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe on all of our social media channels so you're up to date on all the latest products and how to install videos. And until next time, we'll see you guys out on the trail.